All right, so you guys are currently using this website and you're using this stimulation for your lab. I'm going to take a moment to show you how to maneuver through it so that your lab is successful. So you're going to click intro for this moment. When you click intro, it's going to take you to this entire page. When it takes you to the entire page, I'm going to just kind of explain what each part is, okay? So right here, you have this arrow that goes up and down. This is your starting position. So this is able to maneuver to go down or up. So this is your XO, or your starting position. You have the cannon. Currently right now it's at 0 degrees. To change the degrees, you can hold on to the mouse, as I'm doing, and move it up or down. It matters when it comes to projectile, when it comes down to the projection of the actual item. Down on the bottom, you have your starting velocity or your initial speed. You can make it a 0 or a 30. Don't worry about this guy right here. He doesn't really do anything. So right here, you have yellow and the red. The yellow is to basically erase a projectile you already did. So for example, I'm going to go ahead and push the red. The red button does exactly that. It shoots the item. Okay, so I'm going to shoot this down for a second. Poor guy. So the red shoots the item towards a target. This target is your final position. It's where you're trying to hit. That's why it says meters at the end of it. The yellow button erases everything, all the blue lines, basically, as a reset. Here at this top corner, you have all the different materials and items that you're going to be able to change and actually shoot. It matters because of this right here, because of the diameter and the mass. You are not going to need air resistance until further notice. Right here, you have a little tape measurer. I'm sure you guys know what this is. It measures the distance if necessary. So you're going to be able to take this. You can place it here, wherever the starting is. And you're able to drag it all the way. And I'm sure you probably have the same thing anyway, if you go exactly to the point. Okay. Right here, this tool is the time target tool. So on the blue lines, you might notice those little blue dots that are there. Those little blue dots actually is exactly what this middle piece right here is for, right there. So you're going to match that blue thing, that blue dot, to the actual center of this target. When you do that, it actually records the time, the range, and the height for you. Okay, it tells you what the height is. It gives you the instantaneous velocity, so to speak. So that way you have that idea of what the instantaneous velocity is at every given moment. Over here, you have the ability to zoom in or to zoom out if you want more distance or more road or more space to work with. You can zoom out about, I'm not entirely sure how many meters, but if I'm to drag this over to the very end, it looks like about 144 meters from point A to point B. And you can, again, like I said, you can zoom back in. Click the red where everything reset and start over again. Hope this helps.